I basically wanted to depict the super bloom, which is like a phenomena in a desert. So this is like a desert sky, but in full bloom. So
I'm more than happy. I think the color looks great on me. Or I can speak in English. English is fine. And I love the transition of my outfit going from grey, like a sky blue, grey, to a beautiful dark royal blue. And I love the detailing of my outfit. I love how comfortable it is and how light it is. It just helped a lot with my confidence. I think weight of an outfit has a massive role to play when the model's walking. Of course, nervous तो मैं होती हूँ. Even though it's not my first time, but it's not easy. Because there's such a huge audience literally like looking at every step you take. सोचने अगर जाए आप तो देखा है तो मतलब सिर्फ एक वॉक है, पर वो सिर्फ एक वॉक नहीं होता है. It's very technical. You need to like be able to show the outfit with the utmost grace that it's made, because as a designer they put in a lot of time and effort into like making one piece, right?
कौन से ओकेजन पर हम ये आउटफिट पहनते हुए लाइक बार-बार देखेंगे ये आपका
ये I think Diwali I can wear this outfit, no?
anytime, anywhere.
I can wear it anytime, anywhere. Honestly, it's so light. I could actually wear it anytime, anywhere. But I think since it's a lehenga, I'll stick to Diwali. And for all the other functions, I think Kshitij will give me all the other outfits. अलग-अलग outfit पहनेंगे हम.
इसका बात करें आपका काफ़ी पसंद आता है. कुछ दिनों से आपको अपना ट्रेन चेंज करने छोटे लोग काफ़ी अच्छे लगते हैं. बात करें आप लोग तो आप फैशन को लेकर कैसे मतलब डिस्कस करते हैं, कैसे डिसाइड करते हैं?
I think हम दोनों के लिए ही we have a beautiful team. अगर आप किसी की फैशन सेंस की बात करें तो I think as an actor we also tend to get a little restricted in terms of what all designers are on board and what are the outfits provided to you. Out of all the best things that you are given, you've got to choose out of that. अगर मुझे चुनना हो तो you know there are so many times you want so many things but you can only have so much. तो इसीलिए बहुत बार of course as actors we get restricted, but I try to do the best with whatever I get. Okay. ओके थैंक यू. मतलब यहाँ ये सच है. Of course.
now photo of
From a summer point of view, अभी summer काफ़ी गर्मी होगी, रीजन है काफ़ी ज़्यादा होगी. लेकिन इन द सेंटर हिंदी में प्लीज़ बताइए कि समर में क्या स्पेशल टिप्स हैं, चाहे हाइड्रेट इंटरनल करना हो एक्सटर्नल की बात होगी.
ऑफ कोर्स मुंबई है, गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई है. मेरे लिए सबसे बेस्ट सोल्यूशन है कि आप लाइट कपड़े पहने in terms of क्या पहनना है, and in terms of how do you keep yourself hydrated. I think I like to do नारियल पानी with chia seeds, क्योंकि वो आपको बहुत देर तक हाइड्रेट रखता है. that मैंने आज पूरे दिन में सिर्फ वही खाया है और पिया है. That's my only meal for the day. So I think that's my tip. So thank you. Solo first together.
चलो सोलो
How लगे ना?
आप लोगों का हो जाए तो बताइए. ओके.
Now that side?
Yes. चलो गाइस, यहाँ पे भी चाहिए हमें. चल, कम ऑन. कम.